Hey everyone, this is the solution video to logs day 7 from Tuesday. So for this section, you're supposed to be using the properties of logs to expand each expression. And remember, expand means make bigger. So when we are expanding, okay, I don't really care about this 5 here as the base. The only thing that matters for is log base 5 is what I have to use when I'm expanding. So I care about the 2x here, and the 2 and the x are being multiplied, and multiplication turns into addition. So I've got log base 5 of 2, and then I'm expanding it into 2 separate logs. So I'm going to put plus log base 5 of x. So you just got to keep that base consistent, but it's not really doing anything to your problem. You're just rewriting it out that way. So I took the 2 and the x and I split them into 2 separate logs with an addition sign in between because it was multiplication. Multiplication turns into addition. For question number 2, hey, this one, it doesn't have a base, so you don't need to worry about it, but it's being divided, and division turns into subtraction, and we're going to split that into 2 logs. So the first log is going to be log of 10, and then the second log is log of y, and I have subtraction in between there. So you just have to remember which rule you're using. So division turns into subtraction. So I write this, instead of it being 1 log being divided, we now have 2 logs being subtracted. For question number 3, our rule for this one is when I have an exponent, I just take it and I move it to the front. So this one should be super easy for us to write. You're just taking that 9 and you're moving it to the front. So this is just going to be 9 natural log of x, and then we're done with that one, because that one's just the power rule where you're taking your exponent and moving it to the front. For question number 4, okay, this one is actually already expanded because there are 2 logs here. Like, I can't take this log and expand it anymore because there's only 1 term here. This log, I can't expand it anymore because there's 1 term here. The only time we're allowed to expand is when I'm taking 1 log and splitting it into multiple logs. So just because you see a division here doesn't mean you can change that to subtraction, because when you expand, you're only expanding 1 log. This is 2 logs here, so we can't expand it. So this is already expanded. And we can't simplify that anymore. Okay, so that's it for logs day 7.